Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to unblock iOS 26 FaceTime contacts on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on apps, scroll down and click on FaceTime. Now scroll down until you get to blocked contacts and then click on it. Then it should say a list of all your blocked contacts. Now, to unblock blocked contact on FaceTime, just click on the contact, click on edit, then click on the contact you want to unblock all the phone number, and after that, go ahead and click on the check mark at the top right, and then you are good. So that is basically how to unblock contact on FaceTime iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.